In this video, I will show you how to get Copilot on your Windows 10 taskbar. Let's get started. Having Copilot just a click away is incredibly useful for everyday tasks, so let's set that up right now. First, I move my cursor down to the search bar on my taskbar. I click into it and type in the word settings. From the best match search results at the top, I click on the Settings app to open up my system configuration window. Once the settings window is fully loaded, I direct my attention over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, I click on the Personalization tab to access my desktop preferences. Next, I look at the main settings area on the right and scroll down just a little bit. I am looking for the taskbar option, and once I find it, I give it a click. Inside the taskbar settings menu, there are a few different sections. I scroll down again until I find the specific section called Other System Tray Icons. I click on this bar to expand the full list of available applications. Now, I need to scroll through this list of background apps and programs. I am looking specifically for the Copilot application, so I'll just keep carefully scrolling down the list until it appears. Once I locate Copilot, I simply move my cursor over to the toggle switch on the right side and click it to turn it on. As soon as I do that, you can immediately see the Copilot icon pop up down in my system tray at the bottom right corner of the screen, right near the date and time. Now that it is successfully enabled, I'll go ahead and close out of the settings window completely to return to my desktop. To start using my newly added AI assistant, I simply go down to the system tray and click on the new Copilot icon. The Copilot interface smoothly slides open in a neat panel on the right side of my screen. From here, I have a few choices. I can manually type a specific message into the chat box, or I can just click on one of these helpful suggested prompts to get started. For this example, I decided to click on the prompt that says "Learn something new." Almost instantly, Copilot begins to process my request and generates a detailed response right before my eyes. And that is exactly how you enable and access Copilot directly from your Windows 10 taskbar. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.